Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another YouTube video. If you're new here, my name is Georgia May and I upload YouTube videos, so come and check me out. If you want to see what other videos I have on my channel, you can click the little button down there. If you like what you see, you can hit subscribe, turn the bell on, check me out on Insta. I'll put my name along here right now, as well as all of the relevant information in the description box if you want to come and contact me over there. But as I am sure you have seen from the title, today I'm filming something I've never filmed before. Actually, no, I have filmed one, but it was a really long time ago. But it's an unboxing. It's a handbag unboxing from Yves Saint Laurent, YSL. I don't want to butcher the name. I'm really sorry to anyone that I have offended there. Let's just call it YSL for now. That is what today's video is all about. So yeah, I'm really excited to get into the bag, talk to you guys a little bit about it, the buying process, what made me interested in this bag. If you're interested in designer bags or just this style of video, then hopefully you will like it. But yeah, let's grab a glass of something bubbly and get straight on into it. Okay guys, because I'm feeling extra bougie today, I've got my big bow top on. I've also got my Misha Grimes X Picanita crown on, which I will link below. I thought, why not pour myself something a little bit exciting as well? So I have a little glass of bubbly here. It's a Monday night, but it's never too early in the week. That's what I say anyway. I feel like this just goes appropriately with today's video. Let's try and be bougie and try and be extra. Why not? It's kind of funny. Cheers to that. So today I have a bag that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, talking to you guys about, telling you some information about, and just kind of like showing you essentially. I do want to put a disclaimer at the beginning of this video because I know some people feel very passionate and impassioned about this style of video. It really gets on their nerves, and if you're one of those people, just don't watch this video. It is a luxury bag unboxing. That is what it's about. It was my money. It was just kind of how I wanted to spend it, and yeah, call me crazy, I know, but it's a personal thing. So if you're not into these videos, I'm really sorry. I do have loads of other content on my channel if you want to go and check some of that out, but I also want to keep it 100% real with you. And I have had a few of you over on Insta say, can you do like a bag collection, or can you talk to us about some of your designer pieces? And I also want to be like my true authentic self on here, and I want to show you when I order stuff from one website, and also want to show you guys when I maybe buy something that's a little bit more exciting and expensive. This is in no way to brag. That's just not what I'm like, but I love watching these videos. They're like my little guilty pleasure video. I could probably just watch handbag collections and bag unboxings forever and a lifetime, so I wanted to film mine today. Anyway, that's enough of trying to justify myself. Let's get into the bag. Okay guys, so here it is. It's in this big old bag. I actually purchased this from Harrods. You can obviously get this from in store at Harrods, or you can go to Selfridges, or you can go to the YSL store, or online like Net-a-Porter. There's so many different options for buying these bags. I for one wanted to buy it in person. I just like to see things visually in person. I'm not one of those people that can really order online something that's a little bit more expensive. I also wanted to try it out with some other handbags that I had seen and really figure out what was for me. And I personally love the experience of being in the shop, trying something on, buying it. Like that for me is like a whole day out, which I know to some people they're gonna be like, what are you on about? But yeah, it's just a special thing for me. So that was why I purchased mine from Harrods. It was also another reason is they do a reward scheme, which I had heard about through Sophie Shohat, who is like a great girl here on YouTube. I'll link her channel below. She talks about the Harrods reward scheme a lot. Essentially, it's where you can collect points and you get double points on your birthday, and it all goes towards, I think, like credit on a card that you can obviously like put towards something. So that was why I wanted to purchase this in Harrods. So this is a little box. Obviously it just says Saint Laurent on it. It's quite minimalist. Them as a kind of like fashion brand, I feel like are quite minimalist, and I quite like that. Let's just get into the bag before, because you guys are going to be like, just show us the blooming thing. So here we go. In this packaging it comes in this little dust bag. Now I have already used this, so it did have all like wrapping on it and stuff, but I've obviously taken it off because I've used the bag. So this is a little dust bag, and then ta-da! So this is the YSL college bag in the black leather, so I'm showing you guys up close just so you can get a better little look. Obviously has a little YSL design here. Also comes with this super cute little top handle like this, and then it has the longer strap, which is detachable if you want to remove it and just have it as a little top handle bag. I find this strap super useful for me personally. Then on the back, it has this huge pocket at the back, which is actually really useful for keeping your phone, because it's really close to you, but it's really accessible. So that's kind of what I've been doing with that back pocket. And then you just pull it like so, and this is what it kind of looks like on the inside. So you have this zipper compartment, you have like a little hidden pocket down the back, I hope you guys can see, and then this big large compartment here. So it's actually really roomy bag. I used it today and I had so much stuff in my bag today. I had my camera, my phone, a lip gloss, my little card holder, which is actually also from YSL. I think I've popped that down somewhere else, but yeah, the YSL card holders are super cute. But yeah, that is my new little bag. If any of you guys are interested, I just wanted to kind of share it with you. I am obsessed with it. I had been eyeing up a few different ones. I am obsessed with the Chanel Trendy handbag, but it is so expensive, guys. This is obviously very expensive, but the Chanel Trendy was really a lot of money, so it wasn't something that I was ever looking to purchase this year. But I did really want to buy myself a designer bag before the end of the year, just as a little treat. Yeah, to myself, to me, from me. And I'd been eyeing up this one. I also tried out the other YSL bag. I don't know the name of it, but it is essentially, I want to say it's the Lulu. It's quite a similar looking bag, but it's a bit more slouchy, doesn't have the top handle, and that's what I love about this. It does have that little structure to it. My mum actually has this bag in a beige colour. You might have seen me post about it over on my Insta. Unfortunately, it's not mine, it's my mum's, and that is like what kind of inspired me to get this. I just love the size of it. I really needed a black bag because for me it's just the most practical colour. It goes with pretty much everything in my wardrobe. It's such a good winter bag, and also this leather is very like durable and kind of squishy. It doesn't scratch easily, which was something that was very important to me. So yeah, I did look at a range of bags, a few ones from YSL that I tried, and then there were some Louis Vuitton bags that I was really interested in. So I was really interested in the Louis Vuitton bum bag, in the monogram, and also in the new design that has come out in like a cream and a black. And I don't think it's available online in the monogram or the cream and black. But I went into Harrods and they were like, no, but we can get one. There's one in Westfield and this, that and the other. But I didn't really want to buy a cream bag in November. And also the monogram bum bag, I really like it, but I still think it's a little bit of a trend bag, which is absolutely fine. And it's a stunning bag. But I just wanted to get something that I felt like was going to be timeless. I was going to have forever. Wasn't really gonna like go out of fashion that easily because it's like a really simple structured shape, and this was just for me. It just suits me. I really love it. So I'm gonna pop it on crossbody so you can see where it hits me. Okay guys, so let's all ignore my joggers. It's a Monday night. Can you blame me? I've been in London all day. Here we go. So yeah, this is where it hits me when I do it crossbody. For me, it's like the perfect level. It's like right on my hips. It's not too short because I hate when crossbody bags come up really short, and it is just a really nice size. I think anything bigger would probably be too big for a crossbody, but I'm really happy with this size. And then like I said, you can always take this off and literally just use it as a little top handle bag, which is really cute, and I think in photos would look lovely. So yeah, I will link it below if any of you are interested. It was an expensive purchase of mine, do not get me wrong, but I just wanted to kind of show it with you guys because you're going to be seeing it a lot over on my Instagram, and I'm just really excited about it. I also love just like watching these kinds of videos, so I thought why not bring you one from myself. Leave me a comment below, let me know if you like it, let me know if you have any handbags, if you've got your eye on any handbags. I just love buying handbags, I can't lie. I wish I was one of those people that had a bit more willpower, but no, something about them I just really love. And the lady that I spoke to in the Harrods YSL was so lovely. I believe her name was Jessica. If ever you're in there, she was so nice. I've had very many experiences where I've walked into like a designer shop to either ask about a product, to consider purchasing it, for various different reasons. Like, why shouldn't you be able to walk into a store and just ask about something? And I've had sales assistants be extremely rude to me, and she was lovely from the beginning. Like, she was bringing out loads of different styles of bags, showing me all the different colours, the different sizes. This is in, I forgot to mention, the medium size, I believe. So they do a smaller one and a larger one, and the larger one is lovely for like a work bag. For me, it was just a bit too big, but if that's something you would use a lot, maybe if you want to fit your iPad in there or something. It was a really lovely bag, and I think the price difference wasn't all that much, considering how much bigger it kind of was, but it was just too big for me. This is literally so perfect. I actually wore this today to Misha's Pick Anita launch, and I'm just really happy with it. I think it's a really nice durable kind of bag, and it just suits me. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I did go for the silver kind of gunmetal detail, which I quite like because it's quite dark, so I feel like you can wear silver and gold with it because it's almost like a grey kind of colour. Some of the other YSL bags they do with more of like a brighter silver and like a brighter gold, which are absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, this was just the one for me. It was just meant to be. I'd seen this bag on Pinterest quite a while ago, and I just loved how it looked with so many different outfits, with jeans, with skirts, with like big oversized coats. I just really loved it. So yeah, I am very happy girl. So that is pretty much it for this YSL handbag unboxing. I am really pleased with it and happy with it. I know some of you are going to be like, Georgia, why are you buying such an expensive bag? We do crazy things, don't we? We all have our little moments, and this was just something I really wanted to purchase. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please let me know in the comments if this is something you would want to see in the future, if ever I buy a handbag again, or anything kind of more like sort of high end. If you want to see maybe a handbag collection or something, yeah, just let me know, because I love watching these videos. There's something a little bit different for my channel, and even if like maybe you're not going to go out and buy the handbag, sometimes it's nice just to sit and kind of watch bags. I do it all the time, honestly. I watch people's handbag collections, and I have no intent on buying an Hermes like $100,000 handbag, but I still sit and watch the video. So yeah, I hope you did all enjoy this little random one. I hope you're having a great week. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, following me. It really does mean so much. I will link everything I've kind of mentioned below. I'll try and link this top below. This lovely little headband that I cannot stop wearing. I am obsessed with it. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.